Simple yet powerful. Understated yet extraordinary. With a minimalist design, the EC series redefines peak cutting efficiency. As a cost-effective enclosure exchange worktable cutter, the EC series ensures that every cut in operation is a perfect balance between high efficiency and value. Maintaining full performance and simple design, the EC series can achieve ROI in as little as 6 months. Powered by the self-developed Bodor Thinker, the one-click batch processing function can meet complex production demands easily, pressing an accelerator for production. Equipped with the cutting parameter auto match, the operation interface is simple and intuitive. With the system at your fingertips, you can achieve high-quality cutting effects easily, and even beginners can quickly become proficient. Safety is always the bottom line that the EC series adheres to. The full enclosure design separates working and operation zones, guaranteeing your safety during cutting. According to production needs, you can flexibly configure automatic devices to achieve independent and efficient operation, whether for the scattered orders in the outsourced processing, or the large-scale production tasks in the sheet metal, electrical cabinet, HVAC ductwork and other industries. It can become your most capable production partner. Minimalist design meets the powerful core. Production is no longer complicated, and efficiency is no longer compromised. EC Series entry-level fiber laser cutting machine redefines cutting performance at new heights.
Bodor, dare to dream.